everybody! Welcome back to Pookie Bear's Corner. Today we are going to be making an old-fashioned cookie that I supposedly ate when I was a child. I don't remember eating them, but we are going to make Hermit cookies. My auntie said I used to eat these all the time when I was a kid. I don't remember them, so we're going to make them together. We're going to try them. First, you're going to need half a cup of butter, softened. My butter is not soft, so I'm going to throw it in the microwave for a few seconds and see if I can get it softer. Okay, for the Hermit cookies that we're going to be doing, we need shortening, brown sugar, egg, molasses, flour, raisins, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. Hopefully I can remember all of that and the measurements for everything. We'll see. There we go. Butter is softened now. So we're just going to put it in our big bowl. Just like that. Alright, to that we are going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. I am having one of those type of days today where nothing's going right. I'm dropping stuff left and right. Can't remember stuff half the time. So, forgive me today if I missed something. It's just been one of those days. There's a half a cup. There's 1 cup. Okay. To that, we're going to add 1 room temperature egg, a 1/4 cup of molasses, oh, the lid stuck, okay, 1/4 cup of molasses. That'd not be good to have that dripping all over the place. As I said, my auntie told me that I used to eat these as a kid. I don't remember it. So, of course, I have to make them so I can remember whether or not I like them or not. Because, you know, kids and adults have different taste buds, so everybody is a little different. Alright. Once you get all of that put together, you're going to get your handy dandy little mixer out. You're going to whip this together. to that, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon. It smells wonderful. So, if smell is anything like how they taste, I will probably remember them and I will probably like them. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Just like that. Half a teaspoon of clove, ground cloves. I love the smell of ground cloves. Okay, just like that. And then half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Just like that. And then we are going to give that a mixy mix. And there we go. Now that we've got that all nice and mixed up, you're going to need you some raisins. We are not huge raisin fans in our household, but my auntie said that these cookies are not the same without raisins. So we're going to add 1 cup of raisins. Like that. And then we are going to just gently fold those raisins in. And yes, I know my dry ingredients are not completely combined yet. They will be by the time I get done. I'm just going to slowly mix it together. Smells amazing. Whether my husband and my child will eat these, I don't know. I guess we will all have to wait and see.
Hey friends, let's spread some kindness. First, give me a thumbs up. Next, ring the bell for updates. And subscribe for more fun.
Pretty well combined in. You are going to want your oven preheated to 375 degrees for this recipe. All right. There we go. Now we are going to grab us a cookie tray and a couple of teaspoons. Cookie tray. couple of teaspoons. Now Auntie said, you just take this and you drop it on the tray. So that's all we're going to do. We're just going to take it and drop it on the tray. It almost smells like a gingerbread cookie. Almost. So we will have to wait and try one when they come out of the oven. Hopefully these are good and my family enjoys them. I have made some things that they just absolutely do not like. So we will see if this is going to be one of them that I get asked to never make again. Alrighty, there we go. Now these are going to go into your oven at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them after 10 minutes. Depending on your oven, they may get done a little quicker, they may take a little longer. We will see you when we pull them back out. Ta-ta for now. Alright everybody, these are coming out. Oh my goodness gracious, they look yummy. Oh, and they smell yummy. That is what they're looking like when they come out of the oven. We are going to let these cool for a few minutes, and then we will show you what they look like on the inside once they've cooled. See you in a little bit. Ta-ta for now. Alright guys, these are the Hermit cookies. They have a little snap. Somewhat. That is what they look like on the inside. They are almost like a ginger snap cookie, but with raisins. They're actually pretty good. My son likes them. I like them. My husband does not like them. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbsy-upsy, hit that there subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.